Hi friends, thank you for watching. I'm bringing you guys another short and sweet Sodwana Bay vlog, and this time I've incorporated some beautiful GoPro and drone footage. Rise and shine, it's breakfast time. We had the breakfast buffet at Coral Divers. Here you can see we have the fresh cold section, and here is the hot section. You can find anything from grilled tomatoes, bacon sausages, your preferred type of egg, and some baked beans. So your basic English breakfast. Also a dry cereal station with some milk. You have a selection of tea and coffees that you can make, and some jams and sauces for your toasted bread. You can toast your own bread on this device. We moved to the ensuite cabins for the rest of the stay at Coral Divers, and I'm not complaining because look how gorgeous. You have sleeping space for 3 people, a vanity area, and also something that I noticed is the aircon, which is great for those super hot summer days. They have a mini bar slash kitchenette area with a kettle if you want to make tea in the morning, a little mini bar fridge for some cold water, and your basic standard bathroom with lots of space. This is such a spacious cabin, and I love the massive shower. So convenient for the early mornings when you have to get into your wetsuit. This is the Sodwana Bay beach kiosk where you can get some lunch between your 2 dives, and I ordered myself a bacon and avo toasted wrap, which was delicious.
Bye.